Have you ever wondered why so many businesses are importing goods from China to Pakistan? The reasons are compelling. China offers an array of high-quality products at lower costs, making it an economically sound choice. From machinery to auto parts, mobile accessories to shoes, garments to undergarments, filters to various industrial items, China's vast product range caters to diverse business needs. Understanding the why is the first step. But how exactly do these goods make the journey from China to Pakistan? Importing goods from China to Pakistan is a process that involves several steps. It's a journey that starts with finding the right suppliers. This is a critical stage where you'll need to ensure that you're sourcing quality products at the best price. Once you've secured your suppliers, the next phase is negotiating prices. This step requires a keen eye for detail and a knack for persuasion. After you've agreed on the price, it's time to make payment for your goods. This is followed closely by arranging transportation. Whether by air, by sea, or by road, each mode of transport comes with its own set of challenges and advantages. The final hurdle you'll encounter is dealing with customs. This is a stage that requires a thorough understanding of import regulations and a healthy dose of patience. Now that we've outlined the process, let's delve deeper into each step. The first steps in the importing process are finding suppliers in China and negotiating prices. This is where your business acumen must shine. To locate reliable suppliers, you'll want to do your homework. Online platforms offer a wealth of information, but remember, not all that glitters is gold. Always verify the supplier's credibility and track record. Now let's talk negotiation. It's an art, a dance, an intricate game of give and take. Your goal is to strike a balance, finding a price that respects both your budget and the supplier's work. Never shy away from asking questions. Understand the cost breakdown, the quality assurances, and the delivery timelines. And remember, negotiation isn't a one-time event, it's a relationship. Build rapport, foster trust, and maintain open communication. This will pave the way for better deals in the future. Once you've found a supplier and agreed on a price, it's time to pay for your goods. After negotiating prices, the next steps are paying for the goods and arranging for their transportation. The payment methods are numerous, each with its own merits and drawbacks. Some prefer wire transfers for their speed and convenience, while others opt for letters of credit that provide a safety net against fraud. Then there's the matter of arranging transportation. The choice between air, sea, or road freight hinges on your budget, timeline, and the nature of the goods. Air freight, though the fastest, is also the most expensive. Sea freight is the most economical for large shipments, but takes the longest. Road freight strikes a balance between the two, offering a middle ground in terms of cost and speed. Remember, it's all about finding the method that best suits your needs. With payment made and transportation arranged, the only thing left is dealing with customs. The final hurdle in the importing process is dealing with customs. Customs, the guardian of national borders, ensures that all goods entering a country comply with local laws and taxes. This is a crucial checkpoint, whether you're bringing in household items, commercial machinery, or a new line of mobile accessories. A smooth customs experience relies on accurate documentation. The paperwork must be complete and precise, outlining the nature, quantity, and value of the goods you're importing. Remember, any discrepancy can lead to delays, additional costs, or even seizure of your goods. However, it's not always plain sailing. Challenges can arise, such as sudden changes in import regulations or unexpected tariffs. But don't fret. Preparation and flexibility are your best allies here. Navigating customs can feel like a maze, but with due diligence and a firm grasp of the process, you can ensure a smooth journey for your goods from China to Pakistan. And there you have it, the journey of a good from China to Pakistan. Importing goods from China to Pakistan may seem daunting, but it's a process that can be broken down into manageable steps. From identifying suppliers and negotiating prices, to paying for goods and arranging transportation, each stage is crucial. Dealing with customs might be tricky, but it's all part of the journey. The economic benefits are immense, whether it's machinery, auto parts, mobile accessories, shoes, garments, or industrial items. With the right knowledge and preparation, you too can successfully import goods from China to Pakistan.